Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher to finish the week on Friday, lifted by shares in tech, hardware and equipment, media, and semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors. On the economic docket, the change in non-farm payrolls increasing to 164,000 in April from 135,000 the previous month, while the unemployment rate improved to 3.9% in April compared to 4.1% in March. Advancers ahead of decliners, 89% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Wells Fargo agreeing to pay $480 million in settlement of a securities fraud class action in California that alleged misstatements and omissions related to sales practices. Asian markets, meanwhile, mostly higher today. The Nikkei down 0.03%, but the Hang Seng up just about 0.25%. China's CSI 300 up 1.58%, and South Korea's Kospi closed for a holiday. European markets edging higher and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, Cisco third quarter EPS seen at 64 cents. Tyson Foods second quarter EPS seen at $1.31, while on the economic docket 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the March consumer credit report. Now turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees the upside prevail. The Nasdaq sees a bullish bias above 67.17, and that's in focus. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 67.17 are favored with targets at 68.65 and 69.2525 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.